The hardest part of getting to this is that you will have to remove the other trim pieces, and then once you get this piece removed, it becomes very easy to remove the start stop button. And there it is right there. So all you have to do is push these two tabs in, let it fall through, and then there you go. That is the start stop button. It's a good idea to remove your engine start stop button from the trim piece, because if you need to turn your truck on and off, you don't want to have to be connecting this entire piece to the dash in order to start and stop it. There's the cable harness for it, and then here so you can use it without having to have the trim piece sitting up there.